Hello friends, today's video is about Introduction to Organon of Medicine in Homeopathy. This video is especially helpful if you are a first year student. In this video, we are going through the basics of Organon of Medicine. So welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. So let's get started. In today's video, we are going to study the origin of Organon of Medicine. To get through the details in Organon, you can also go through our playlist of Organon series by clicking here. This video is also a part of our Organon series in Homeopathy. The word Organon is derived from Greek word organum, which means literary work, method of scientific investigation, instrument of thought or system of logic, and according to Richard Hughes, an instrument for effecting in best manner. Derivation of the word organon was first used by Greek philosopher named Aristotle, who wrote a book named Organon. Various treatises of logic were summed up in that book. Later, Lord Francis Bacon used this word. He wrote a book in Latin on logic. The first volume was called Instauratio Magna, while the second volume was called Novum Organum. These two must have influenced Hahnemann to name his book Organon of Rational Medical Science. Definition: Organon of Medicine is a book written by Master Samuel Hahnemann containing the principles of homeopathy along with critical analysis of different other modes of treatment prevalent during his time. So this was a video on Introduction to Organon of Medicine. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and do comment below if you have any doubts or suggestions. Thank you for watching.